In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to archive users in Asana. When a teammate leaves or no longer needs access, the most reliable way to archive their presence is to transition their work by removing them from tasks and, when appropriate, assigning a new owner. I'll walk you through the exact flow using the Task Assignee field, which is where ownership lives in Asana. Start by opening Asana and landing on Home. This gives you a clean overview of your workspace so you can quickly jump into the areas you manage. From the left sidebar, head to My Tasks. Even if you're handling work on behalf of someone else, this view is a quick way to orient yourself and access projects and tasks you're involved with. You can then navigate to any task that still lists the person you're phasing out as the owner. Click the task you want to update to open its details pane. This panel is where you'll find the key fields that control who's responsible, when it's due, and how it progresses. Locate the Assign A field near the top of the task. This is the single source of truth for accountability in Asana, so changing it is the core action for archiving a user's active footprint. Open the Assignee selector to choose the person who will take over. If you already know the new owner, pick them from the list so they're immediately notified and can keep the task moving. If you don't have a replacement yet, you can click the X next to the current assignee to remove them. That clears their name from the task, preventing future notifications and signaling that the task needs a new owner. As you work through tasks, keep an eye on due dates and priority so critical items get reassigned first. It's a good practice to preserve context. Existing descriptions, attachments, and followers remain intact, helping the new owner ramp up quickly. If you're a project lead or admin, verify you have permission to change assignees across the relevant projects. Repeat this process for each task the departing user owned. Many teams prefer to assign everything to a single interim owner, then redistribute thoughtfully. Others reassign directly to the best fit teammate. Either approach works. What matters is that every task ends with a clear owner. Removing or replacing the assignee in this way effectively archives the user's active responsibilities, keeps work visible, and maintains momentum without disruption. That's it. By updating the assignee field from Home through My Tasks into the task details and then choosing or clearing the assignee, you've cleanly transitioned ownership and archived the user's role in your Asana tasks.